pabor. Kaya nakuha po namin yung 80.57%. Sa neutral naman po is group nakatao. Kaya ang nakuha po namin is nasa 17.14%. Sa disagree and strongly agree is 0 na po.
I see posts about teenage pregnancy on social media. So, strongly agree po ang nasagot po ay 48 students, which is lumabas po 68.57%, agree 60, 22.85%, neutral 6, 8.57%, and disagree, strongly disagree is 0 po. Social media is one of my sources of information about relationship and sex. Strongly agree po. Ang sumagot po ng mga students is 37. So, ganun din po yung process. 52.85%. Next, agree. 28 students. So, ang lumabas po, 40%. Neutral, 4. 5.71%. Disagree, 1. 1.42%.
Nakuha po namin yung weighted mean is pinag-class po namin.
No, stop.
So, nakuha po namin yung weighted mean is 34 times 5 divided by 70. So, sa 28 times 4 divided by 70. So, 8 times 3 divided by 70. Kaya po lumabas yung 4.3. So, nag-graph po siya kasi strongly agree.
Next naman po, 38 divided by times 5 divided by 70. 50. 38 times 5 divided by 70. And next naman po, 20 times 4 divided by 70. 12 times 3 divided by 70 again. So, ang nakuha po namin, weighted mean po namin ay 4.3. So, nag-type po sila ng rank, which is 2. Strongly agree. Next naman po, 48. Ganun din po yung process. So, ang rank po niya is 1. Kasi po, ang WM po ang lumabas is 4.6. So, siya po ang pinakamataas. So, strongly agree po siya. Nag-rank 1 po siya. Next naman po, ganun din po sa same process. So, rank naman po niya is 2. Kasi po, same lang po sila ng WM 4.3. So, nagpapakita din po na strongly agree po silang lahat. Sa table po.
For our data analysis, the study used person correlation to check the relationship between social media and attitudes toward teenage pregnancy. The results show R equals negative 0.40 and B equals 0.0, which means there is a moderate negative relationship and it is significant. The study, we check the relationship between social media and student attitude. The results show moderate negative relationship, which means students who use social media more tend to have more careful attitude about teenage pregnancy.
Since the result was significant, P equals 0.03, which is lower than 0.05 in our study acceptable. Hypothesis, since the result was significant, P equals 0.03, which is lower than 0.05 the study accepted HON rejected H1. This means that social media is really affects student attitude toward teenage pregnancy. Since the result is significant, P equals 0.03, the study showed that social media really affects student attitude toward teenage pregnancy.
Interpretation of data. The findings show that senior high school students at Pangalanan National High School are influenced by social media. Interpretation of data. The findings show that social media affects senior high school students at Pangalanan National High School. What they see online, that post videos and information can change how they think. Do you feel about teenage pregnancy?
Summary. A short explanation of the main results of the study.
This study examined social media influence student attitude towards teenage pregnancy at Panggalang National School. The research survival stability in 11 and 12 students. This study looked at social media to affect student attitude towards pregnancy. The Panggalang National School survival stability grade 11 and 12 students. The results show that most students agree that social media influence their thoughts, post, video, and online who can help shape their opinions and awareness.
Conclusion. The final statement based on the findings. Conclusion. The study shows that social media affects how students think about teenage pregnancy. What they see online can influence their actions.
Recommendations, suggestions based on the results of this study.